Nicole and I have had a Southwest Companion Pass for nearly 4 years. I held it for a year and a half. As mine was expiring, Nicole got one in her name. And I stand by the statement that the Companion Pass is the best deal in flights. When Nicole and I fly somewhere together, it's 50% off. When all five of us fly, it's 20% off. In case you're not familiar with the Companion Pass, it is essentially a buy one get one free pass for tickets on Southwest Airlines. You name one companion, and they fly anywhere you do for free. Yes, free. Well, you still pay taxes on the ticket, but that means a round-trip flight will usually only cost you $11.40. That's a round-trip flight for less than the price of a movie ticket. So there are two ways to earn a companion pass. The first way is to fly 100 one-way flights, and I don't know and I haven't even heard of anyone who has done it this way. Now, if you got the companion pass by taking flights, drop a comment and let me know where the hell you were flying to. Now, my guess it would have to be like daily round trips for work, but that's not me. So, thankfully, there's a second option. Earn 135,000 rapid reward points. Now, that's usually done through hitting welcome offers on the Southwest credit cards. And that's actually how Nicole and I did it. I break that all down in this video here. Chase and Southwest offer 3 personal cards. And right now, the welcome offers all include a companion pass. Spend $4,000 in 3 months and you will get a companion pass and 30,000 rapid reward points. It's super easy to get. It's just dangling right there for you to snatch up. But I don't think you should, and here's why. The companion pass offered via the sign-up bonus expires February 28, 2026. The best case scenario, you apply today and are approved. You call to have the card expedited. You have a large purchase that will knock off that welcome offer. That won't post and you won't get your points or your companion pass until early April. That gets you the companion pass for 11 months. 11 months of the companion pass is fine. It's good. It will save you money, save you points. But you're giving up 26 months of a companion pass. Being overeager now will cost you 15 months of using the companion pass. And then there's the points issue. This welcome offer leaves you with 30,000 points. Throw in the spending requirement and you're looking at 34,000. That's enough points for a round-trip flight. Use your companion pass and you can bring someone along with you. But if you do it the way Nicole and I each did, you end up with over 135,000 rapid reward points. Now imagine how much farther all those points could take you. Well, actually, don't imagine. I'm going to tell you how our first year with the Companion Pass worked out. Between using the Companion Pass and the points we earned getting it, we went farther for less. All 5 of us flew out to Salt Lake City for skiing during spring break. Nicole and I got away for a weekend to Cancun. Then Nicole and I took our son to Savannah for a gymnastics competition. Then, for our anniversary, Nicole and I went to D.C. That's 12 round-trip flights. 12. We used native rapid reward points and our companion pass. Yes, the Southwest cards we got had annual fees, $149 and $199. There was a $75 Southwest credit, and we used that to pay for the taxes and fees on 6 of our domestic flights. But even with points, a statement credit, and a companion pass, all of our flights weren't 100% free. Between all 12 of our round-trip flights, we had to pay around $300 out of pocket. And most of that was for our international flights to Mexico. So what? We paid about $25 a flight? Not free, but I'm not exactly here complaining. In terms of cash value, we saved $4,400 in 1 year with how we got the companion pass. And I'd love to hear what you've done with your companion pass. Let me know your best redemptions, let me know how much you've saved, and let me know how much you've used your companion pass in the comments below. Southwest isn't stupid. They know how good their companion pass is. They know its reputation, they know people want it, but they are shortchanging you with this offer. And if you get this offer now, you'll be locking yourself out of the 26-month companion pass for another 2 years. I don't know your situation. Maybe you can't wait a year to earn your companion pass in the optimal way. I'd still go after it with the business card and the personal card like Nicole and I did. Hit the welcome offer on the personal card. Get the 30,000 points and the companion pass. Hit the welcome offer on a business card. Earn another 80,000 points. Between both welcome offers and the minimum spend requirements, you'll have 119,000 points. Hit the subscribe button and you'll have access to more videos like this. No points or passes needed. But one of the benefits of holding a Southwest credit card is that you get a 10,000 point discount on your companion pass. And then suddenly you find yourself only needing another 6,000 points to extend your companion pass to February 28th, 2027. Just use your new cards to earn another 6,000 points. There's no rush. You'll already have the companion pass from that first welcome offer. Just make sure you've got it taken care of by the end of November. Is it the optimal way that I described my earlier version? Well, who cares if it is? This way still gets you the companion pass for 23 months and it ups your rapid reward balance by 100,000 points. If you're 110% sure you can't get a business card, then get this offer before it expires because the companion pass is the best deal in flights and you want it. So should you get a companion pass? Absolutely. But how long do you want it for? We want ours for as long as possible to maximize our rewards. Now, regardless of how you get your companion pass, thanks for spending some time with me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And for more ways to get your credit cards to take you farther for less, check out this video here. And until next time, safe travels.